Though midterm grades have already been reported, we are now just releasing comments. You should be getting comments in your other classes as well, mostly reflecting on how you've been doing with our transition into remote learning, but also an update on where your grade stands and any missing assignments you have. So, to access your Science 2 comments, what you need to do is just go to your Google Drive, which I assume you know how to do, but if not, click on the little waffle on the Google homepage here. And then you're going to want to select in the left corner here the shared with me option, I believe is where it will be. And then there'll probably be a lot of stuff in this folder, but you should look, or you can probably search for a Google Doc that will look like this, where it's your last name, first name, dash, and then there's usually a number 523, and then you all won't have the one. That's my A section, so I think my B period or my C period kids are 523-2. But the point is, you should be able to find a Google Doc that's been shared with you, last name, first name, and a number. And when you open it, it'll look like this. I'll have a little comment that I've written there for you. It'll have your current grade, where it stands, both the number and the letter. A little comment from me with details just about how you're doing, any missing work you have, any of that stuff. But then the important part is at the very end. Everyone should have the last paragraph that looks like this. And there's another document linked here that you need to click on, because you shouldn't be able to edit this document. I think you can comment on this document, but you won't be able to edit it. But if you click on this link here, it'll take you another Google Doc, which should be so this is Angela's as an example, which should be your last name, first name, and then it says feedback, response, and reflection. And this document you can edit. And so the point of this is to read over the comment that I have written for you, and then take some time to directly answer these questions right on this document. You can just type your answers right here below. You should be able to edit this document, no problem. And then this is something that I'll come back and check on, and we can sort of have a conversation about or follow up on if there's anything that needs to be done. And I am offering 10 assessment points for this. So this is basically a test grade, 10-point test grade. So it's an easy 10 out of 10 if you get this done. That adds to your assessment average overall. And ideally, you would have this done by the next class meeting period, which for my A and C period kids would be this coming Wednesday, and for my F and H period kids would be this coming Thursday. Let me know if you need help. Also, let me know if any of the links don't work. Again, I kind of threw all this together, and so I'm sure I might have messed up a link somewhere. I also apologize if there are any typos. This has not gone through as rigorous of a proofreading process as comments typically go through. Thank you.